Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and I welcome all of you guys to oliveboard. I hope chalo, let's start with today's session. So again I'm back with one of those particular very specific sessions where we learn to solve very particular topic like type questions. So we will do today percentage based mensuration questions. Okay, so these are actually basically like questions from the percentage chapter, but we need a little bit of mensuration concepts as well. Especially from mensuration, what do I need? We will need the formulas. We will be needing the formulas here. So we will do that part. Okay, so again, very commonly asked, these questions are very commonly asked in CGL, CHSL, CPO, RRB, NTPC, and even in Group D examination. Even in Group D examination, which is also around the corner. So I thought this will be a good opportunity. This will be a good time to have a discussion, have a complete discussion around this type of questions. Okay. So before we can do this, before we can delve into this or we can start solving these questions, okay, let's understand a few things here. Let us understand a very few things here. We need to understand the successive Arman, very good morning brother, very good morning brother. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to understand the successive percentage change formula, percentage change concept. Now, because there will be certain questions which can be solved using this, meaning sir, which we call, I taught you this in the paid class, that is called AB theorem. AB theorem. What is AB theorem saying? Please let us do a little bit prerequisite. This is very important before we can move into that. We move into the questions. You understand, AB theorem is saying, sir, if there is a % change in the first place, and then sir there is another B % change, sir. There is first change worth of A percentage, second change worth of B percentage. Then sir the net change, will always be what, sir? It will be A plus B plus A times B divided by 100. This in terms of percentage. That was your basic AB theorem. That was your basic AB theorem. Now please understand over here, nobody has given us this. Okay, sir, always A will be a positive change and B will be a positive change. Now what do I mean by positive change? Sir, positive change meaning, sir, incremental changes. So this means that incremental changes. In this case, if we are taking both as positive, both A and B as positive, meaning sir that is incremental. The changes are, sir, incremental. Now it might so happen, no, sir, like sir A % change, that is incremental, I'm giving upward arrow, and then there is a B % change, that is decremental, I'm giving a downward arrow. So what will be the net change in that case? What will be the net change? I'm saying you don't need to like learn anything else. You understand, AB theorem only has one sign convention. Sir, if this is upward, meaning if it is incremental, we put plus. If it is decremental, meaning the value is decreasing, sir, we put a minus here. That's all there is. So it will be, sir, A. So A is positive, sir. B is minus B, negative. So that will be, sir, minus B, and A times B divided by 100%. Now, sir, what will be this sign here? So please understand, this is A multiplied by B. So plus multiplied by minus, A is plus, B is minus. So plus into minus, it is minus here. Similarly, sir, if both are decremental changes, meaning both are decreasing, sir, what will be the net change? Sir, A is also negative now, B is also negative now. So, sir, minus A minus B and A times B by 100 in terms of percentage. But, sir, minus into minus becomes, sir, plus. So, that is how this formula changes. What I am saying, you only remember this part. You only remember the main formula, and you can always manipulate the sign using your plus minus concept. So, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, sir. That is all the prerequisites that we needed to know in order to solve the percentage based questions on mensuration. Okay, everybody, this much is clear, brothers? This much is absolutely clear to each and every one of you? A very quick yes or no? Again, for those who have joined us just now, again, very, very, very good morning to all of you guys. Very, very, very good morning, everyone. Okay, so I've just started with, we are solving what? So this is that series where I am kind of solving very, very specific topics, specific topic questions we are doing. So today we are doing mensuration questions that is based on percentage. Very, very important this one, because each and every exams that I have written over here, they are asking at least a few questions on this particular subtopic. Understood? Chalo, perfect. Now let us move on to the question. Let us move on to the question. Now, before I move, we solve this question, let's understand this AB theorem a little bit more, sir. Sir, when we do we use this? Just a quick, very quick explanation, sir. Let's say, sir, my salary was 10,000 rupees. Now, for those who already know it, it's absolutely okay. A quick revision never hurts. Then we'll move on to the question. So this is my salary, sir. Now, sir, I got an increment of my salary of 20%, sir. Meaning, sir, my salary increased by 20%. Sir, what is going to be my salary? See, you will say, sir, my salary, new salary will be 12,000, sir. Now, sir, again, sir, I got another increment of the 10%, sir. So then what will be my salary, sir? So you will say, sir, 12,000, 10% of 12,000 is 1,200. So this is 12,000 plus 1,200, that is 13,200, sir. So this is your salary. This is your salary now. After two increments of like one is 20%, one is 10%. Now, sir, if I say, then what is the net change? What is my net percentage change in my salary? Percentage change in my salary. So you will say, sir, this is your final salary after all the increments. This is your initial salary before all these increments started. So, sir, net percentage change will be what, sir? Sir, final minus initial divided by always the initial, and sir, for percentage, fraction to percentage is multiplication by 100. If you do that, sir, it is 32%. It is very clearly, sir, 32%. Now, please understand, what does AB theorem do? AB theorem allows us to avoid all these steps. Yes, I'm going there with it. So what I am kind of explaining, you see, if we know AB theorem, we can always avoid all these steps. Instead, what we can do, sir, this is your first percentage change, that is A. So this is your second percentage change, that is B. So net percentage change. So net change will be what, sir? Sir, A plus B plus A times B by 100. You will see, we will get the same answer. We will get the same answer. So 20 is A plus B is a 10 plus 20 times 10 divided by 100, sir. So 0, 0 gone, sir. 20 plus 10 is 30 and 2 is 2 into 1 is 2, sir. So that means a 32%. So you see, using AB theorem, we could avoid all these calculations and we can simply say our answer. That is, sir, net change is how much, sir? 32%. That is the beauty of AB theorem. It allows us to kind of change or kind of avoid a lot of calculation. But please understand, AB theorem is only applicable if there is two or more percentage changes. Two or more percentage changes. That is successive ones. Now, sir, how to apply this in mensuration? How to apply this particular concept in mensuration? You will see, I'll show you two methods. One is using AB theorem, another without using AB theorem. Let's do this question first. CPO 2020 pre-question, sir. Each side of a rectangle is decreased by 11%, sir. Its area will decrease by whatever percentage. Sir, please understand. The rectangle has two variables. If I want to figure out the area, please understand this. Sir, area of a rectangle is length into the breadth, sir. It is length into the breadth. And sir, one more thing, sir. Now each of the sides has been decreased by 11%. Meaning, sir, length has also been decreased by 11%. Sir, breadth is also decreased by 11%, sir. That is also decreased by 11%, sir. But both are decrements. Sir, we should take minus here, because I told you initially, AB theorem has only one rule. Sir, if we are talking about a like positive or incremental change, it's positive, it's plus. If we're talking about a decremental change or it is decreasing, it will be minus. That is the only rule of applying AB theorem. Chalo sir, then that is perfectly fine. Sir. So sir, what will be the area? Sir, net change in area, sir. Now you tell me net change. Sir, you understand, sir. Can I now think? Can you guys think in this manner, sir? Sir, this is one change of length. Sir, this is another change of length. So there are two changes happening simultaneously. One to the length, another to the breadth. So sir, applicable AB theorem? Yes, sir, AB theorem. Yes, AB theorem is applicable. Now you see, that means once we can confirm AB theorem is applicable, this is no longer a mensuration question, because we don't even need the mensuration formula. This is a simple percentage question now. So net change will be what, sir? So minus 11. So minus A minus B, then minus plus, sir. 11 into 11 by 100, sir. So this is minus 22 plus this is 1.21. Can I do it directly? 121 by 100, sir, that is 1.21. So if you do this, it will be minus 20.79%, sir. Now, sir, what does this minus signify? You understand this. This minus is nothing but only one thing. This minus only signifies that the value is decreasing. It is a decremental change. The overall value, the net value is actually decreasing. So that means if it was 100 in like the area was 100 units in the beginning, it will be 20.79% less. That is all there is. This minus, do not get confused by this minus. So sir, our answer will be option number 4, that is 20.79%. Harsha was absolutely correct. Harsha was 100% correct. I guess Harsha answered this question almost a couple of minutes ago only. Very good, Harsha. Very good. Now, is it clear 100%? Is it clear? Now, this is one question, mensuration based question, where we could have used our AB theorem. But sir, not every time you can apply AB theorem. Now, AB theorem also has its limitations. Okay, let me say that. Sir, AB theorem, let me say this. I am giving you a very unpopular opinion now. Sir, if there are three variables, okay, so let's take an example. Sir, 20%, 10%, and sir, again a 20%. So they are asking, all are incremental changes, all are increasing, just for the sake of our discussion. Please understand this. So what can I say? Sir, can you tell me what will be the net change directly? Net change directly meaning I am trying to figure out what will be the formula for AB theorem if there are three variables concerned. There is a formula. You can derive a formula, but again what I am saying, no, the direct formula for AB theorem of three variables. Please take little Arman, I'm going there, brother. I'm just going there, brother, because this is these classes are directed mostly towards beginners, right? So I have to build from the beginning. So don't worry, I've taken some good quality questions only today only. So just like be patient for like 5-10 minutes, brother. We will eventually end up there. We will eventually end up in the CGL, proper CGL or CGL mains level questions as well. Okay, brother. Just a couple of moments. Now, coming back to this direct formula stuff, brother. You see, direct formula, what I say, the calculation sometimes becomes very, very difficult if you take 3 variables at once. What is better? Better is, sir, if you have 3 variables and if you want to still use AB theorem, take 2 at a time. So you apply AB theorem on the first 2 variables, you get some resultant, say R%. Then you apply again another AB theorem on this R and the remaining 20%. Everybody got my point. So if I say this, sir, 20 and 10, we just figured out that was 32%. So we will apply another time AB theorem with 32% and this 20%. So if you do that, so 32 plus 20 plus 32 times 20 by 100. So it will be, sir, 5 times. So 32 plus 20 is, sir, 52 plus this is 6.4, sir. So this will be 58.4%. That is my net change of these 3 different percentage changes. Perfect. Now as Arman was saying, so let's do a little bit challenging questions. But before that, a last easy question asked in CGL 19 pre. Last easy question that was asked in CGL 2019 pre, the value is the same, sir. The value is the same, sir. It is again decreased by 11%, but sir, now the radius is decreased. You understand this concept, very, very important. Sir, area, and they are asking about the area, decrease in area. Sir, area, what is the formula for the area of a circle? Sir, it is pi times r square, meaning, sir, pi times r into r. You think, or you simply think like this, sir, this r, we have reduced it by 11% according to the question. And so there is another r, sir, which we also have reduced by 11%. So there are 11% decrement. So that means that again I can say AB theorem is applicable. So we can do the similar calculations here, exact similar calculations, and we will get the exact similar answer. I'm not doing that part. We will do the exact similar calculation. We'll get the exact similar answer. So this was a question that was asked. So we will do minus 11, minus 11, minus plus 11 times 11 by 100. So this will give us minus 20.79%, just like the last question. So there will be the like decrement in area will be 20.79%. Now this was one type. This was one type of question. Now comes another type. Now comes this particular a little bit challenging type, which also I wanted to cover. So this is a question from 2018 CGL mains. Now honestly speaking, for this question you can do it using AB theorem, but still AB theorem is not the optimal method to solve these type of questions. AB theorem is not the optimal method. AB theorem is not the optimal method anymore. So let's understand what is given. So radius of the base of right circular cylinder is increased by 20%. By what percentage should its height be reduced so that the volume remains the same as before? Meaning the volume remains a constant. The volume remains the constant. So this is a little bit more challenging type when you compare this with the last questions. So last questions generally they ask you in pre. These are the questions in main. Sometimes they ask you some similar type in pre as well. I won't lie. Sometimes they ask you this type in pre as well. Right? Now, a very quick understanding. Sir, here the best option. Sir, we are talking about a right circular cylinder, but in this particular method that I am going to discuss, we will discuss the ratio method. You need the formula. You need to learn at least the basic of the formula, even if you don't know the entire thing. Sir, and they are asking us to compare the volumes. So right circular cylinder, the volume formula is, sir, pi r square into h. R is your radius, sir. R is your radius. And sir, h is your height, sir. H is the height, sir. Okay. Harsha has given us some answer. Harsha, let's see, brother. Let's see, brother. Harsha is saying C, that this one. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see, brother. Now. If this is the case, now, sir, let's understand what was initially the values and what is the final value after all the increments and decrements. Sir, the radius, if we talk about the radius, it has increased by 20%. So 20% means, sir, 20% means, sir, 1 divided by 5. 1 by 5 is 25%. That's right, 20%. 1 by 5 is, sir, 20%. Right? So either you can go with this particular bit, or you can simply say, sir, if 20% increment means, sir, if the initial value was 100, then the after increment the value is 120. But this is not really recommended. This is not really recommended. Why? Please understand. I told you guys in the percentage class, in our basic paid percentage class, I told you 20% is equal to 1 by 5. Always think like this. Sir, 20% of this denominator, that is 5, is, sir, 1. Always, how to use ratio method, the basics. Sir, 20% of this 5 is, sir, 1. So, sir, can I simply, rather than writing this down, can I simply write, sir, that means, sir, if the initial value is 5, the increment will be 20% of 5. That means the increment will be 20% of 5 is 1, sir. So the final value will be 5 plus 1 increment, that is 6. 5 plus 1 increment, that is 6, sir. So that means this is what is happening with the right, sir, like the radius. This is what is happening with the radius. Now, sir, height, sir, we don't know, sir. Height ratio, we don't know, sir. This we don't know. Sir, volume, sir. Sir, volume ratio, sir. Volume ratio, they are saying they are equal. Equal means, sir, 1:1. Can I say? Can I say this is 1:1? Volume ratio is equal means they both are equal, meaning 1:1. Meaning 1:1. Sir, let's understand one thing. So I am taking this one as, sir, let's take this x, this as y. This as x and this as y. Sir, what will be the volume in the initial case, sir? What will be the volume in the initial case, sir? Sir, pi into r square, meaning, sir, 25 square, into, sir, h, that is the height, sir, that is I have taken as x, is to, sir, what will be the final volume, sir? Sir, pi into 6 square, extremely sorry, I am saying 25 square, extremely sorry. Sir, pi into 6 square, that is, sir, I can directly write, sir, 6 square is 36. Sir, into y. Sir, if these two are equal, that is given, remains constant or remains the same, sir. That means I can put they are equal. They are equal, and what do I need? What do I need? I always need this ratio of x by y, or x is to y. So let's figure it out, sir. Pi cancels. X by y is 36 by 25. 36 by 25. That means if x is 36, y is at 25. Can you figure out the percentage, like from here? They are asking by what percentage should height be reduced, meaning the height has been now reduced. If you want your volume to be like constant, height needs to go down from 36 to 25. So what is the percentage change? Sir, 36 minus 25 divided by that is 36 into 100. Can I say this, sir? Sir, 11 by 36 divided by 100, sir. 11 by 36 divided by, sir, 100. Divided by, sir, 100. Let's do the calculation, sir. 4 25s are this, 4 9s are this. So 25 into 11, 275 by 9. That is 30. 3 9s are 270. 30 whole 5 by 9%, sir. 30 whole 5 by 9%. That means Harsha was absolutely correct. Harsha was absolutely correct. 275 by 9. Absolutely correct. Now, please understand if this is clear or not. This is the difficult type. This is the only difficult type that you might encounter in your exams. This is the only difficult type of the question. Just a quick. So in Kolkata, na, like so much. So the weather is so bad. Like it is feeling like summers. So I'm back only like half an hour back. Like half an hour ago, I'm back in Kolkata and it's I'm already sweating. So everyone, is this 100% clear? A very quick yes or no, brothers. Everyone, a very quick yes or no, please. Then we'll do one last question before I move on. So again, CGL means we are talking about a right angular, like right circular cylinder. Okay, diameter of the base has been reduced and its height is doubled. The volume of the cylinder will be what? So what will be the change? What will be the change? Now let me do one thing. Right circular cylinder, instead of doing this, let us take a cone here. Let us take a cone. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys one particular thing. You will see. You will see, sir. Now, there are you can use AB theorem. You can use something different as well. So I'm using the ratio method, just like what we have just learned. Like that way, we'll have a good practice. So initial, sir, final. So let me explain. So right circular cylinder, diameter and radius, that doesn't really matter. So if diameter is changing, say 20%, radius will also change, because diameter by 2 is radius. Everybody, please be clear on this point. So diameter and radius both are same. Both are same, sir. And so 33 by like whole 1 by 3 means, sir, this is 1 by 3. Meaning, sir, if my initial value was 3, sir, it will reduce by 33% of 3, that is 1. So the final value will be 2, sir. Can I say this? Harsha has already given us another answer. Let's see, brother. Harsha, let's see. I'm marking your answer. Let's see. I'm hoping it should be correct. I'm hoping it is correct. So that is the change in radius. 33 whole 1 by 3 means if the initial radius was 3 units, final is 2 units. Now you might say again, sir, what about diameter? In the question they are giving us diameter. Do not worry about that. Diameter and radius, they are proportional. Why? Because radius is always, whatever is the value of the diameter, radius will always be half of that. Radius will always be half of that. So do not worry about that. So let's keep it like this. So radius, diameter, both are the same thing. Now, height has been doubled, sir. Height has been doubled, sir. Now that means the ratio is very simple. So if this was 1, sir, it will be 2 now. 1:2, it is doubled now. So let's take out the volume, sir. What about volume? Achha, what is the volume, the formula for right circular cone? So right circular cone volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Always 1/3 of the cylinder. Now I just want to say, I just wanted to show you guys, it doesn't really matter whether it is a cylinder or a cone, because this particular constant, it will cancel each other. So it doesn't really matter. It does not matter at all. So sir, volume, what will be the initial volume, sir? Sir, 1/3 pi into r square h. R square means a 3 square, that is 9, into 8, sir, 1. And sir, what will be the final volume? Sir, 1/3 pi into, sir, r square. R square is a 2 square, that is 4, into 8, sir, that is 2. Sir, let's cancel 1/3 pi, 1/3 pi. So it is 9:8, sir. That is the ratio of the volume. That is the ratio of the volume. That means, sir, now you understand. You think about this a little. Sir, if my volume was 9 units, now this has reduced to 8 units. So reduction, sir, 1 unit reduction. 1 unit reduction, sir. Out of how much, sir? Initial value always, that is 9 units, sir. So, sir, percentage reduction will be how much, sir? So that is 1 unit reduction out of the initial value of 9 units. Sir, this is fraction. I want to get to percentage, multiply 100. Sir, 1 by 9, we all know 11.11% or 11 whole 1 by 9%. Whatever you want to say. Whatever you want to say. Now, increased or decreased? Increased or decreased? Harsha, you see, you have done everything correctly, but you answered a very, like in answer, you made a very, very silly mistake. So the answer will be option 4, but not option 3. Answer will be option 4, but not option 3. Sir, it will be decrement. Harsha, you see, that's the biggest and the most common type of problem, most common type of silly mistakes that students tend to make. You see, you have made that mistake, brother. You have, unfortunately, made that mistake. Sir, it is decreasing, not increasing. It is decreasing. The volume of the cylinder is decreasing, not increasing. So 9, from 9 it is getting to 8, it is decrement. So the answer will be option number 4, not option number 3. It's a very, so please keep this also in mind. Whenever you are solving the questions, please keep this into mind as well. Everybody, I hope this is clear. So this was our very little discussion around the mensuration based questions on percentage. Okay, so I hope you guys understood these things. So what we have learned? What we have learned here? So again, let me show you guys. Let me just give you a summarization, very quick summary. So first we learned how to solve these questions using AB theorem. First we learned some AB theorem based questions. And then we understood the second concept, that is ratio based method. We understood some ratio method questions as well. Okay. Now again, please understand, in the last question, if you are comfortable, you can also use AB theorem very, very clearly. You can also use AB theorem very, very clearly. Harsha is saying percentage election type problem. Yes, definitely we can do, Harsha. I haven't filled the form, so definitely chalo works. So chalo, on popular demand, I was thinking what is to be taken. So we'll do election based questions. Election based questions, then we'll do next Monday is the next class. Next Monday, like 10 a.m. will also, my slot is at 10 a.m. Today I've taken the class on 11 because my train was late. Okay, but again, just a very quick announcement. So Saturdays also, on Saturdays, every Saturday, I take a free batch on app. I take a free class. Okay, that is a completely free batch. That also starts at 10 a.m. But that is live on oliveboard app. Oliveboard app. So there also we always do some very, very good quality questions, very, very specific type, very similar to what we are doing, what series we are doing on YouTube, very similar to that, but mostly that is on advanced maths. So this week, I guess last week we did number of zeros wala concept, the whole concept, not only number of zeros, but number of the highest power of 2, the highest power of 3, all the questions related to that one. So in the app, if you want to join the class, you can search the course free course by Aritra sir. So you just search that particular course in the SSC segment in the English category, you will find the course. Okay. So we have started this from the last Saturday itself. This Saturday also we'll be doing a very interesting topic. So if you guys want, please do join that class. That is also completely free. That is also completely free for you guys. You will get a good practice nonetheless. And election based question, then I'll definitely take on next Monday. On next Monday we'll do like all the types of election based questions. But election based question, there are so many types. The class might be get to 1 hour. It might be a little bit on the lengthier side, but it's okay. We can manage. No worries. We don't have any hurry. Okay then. So that was it. So again, thank you so much everybody for joining us, and I'll see you guys on YouTube next Monday, and on the practice class, the free practice class on this Saturday. So please do join at 10 a.m. on Saturday. I'll be seeing you guys. And if you are interested, so you see, in like I kind of like to go from very foundation level to the mains level. So that is why in my courses the number of classes are very high. Some students prefer this, some students gets very irritated and said, why are you taking so, why are you teaching so many things? So I'm like, the foundation batches are still going on. If anybody wants to join that batch, so you guys can always go into the app and make a purchase from there. Download the app, register, and if you can kind of want to join, so you can always take that elite subscription. Okay, so the like that is completely up to you guys, but nonetheless, please do like the video if you have enjoyed the class, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. I'll be seeing you guys. I'll be seeing you guys on next Monday, and on free class I'll be seeing you guys on next Saturday. So please, till then, please take care, and thank you so much. Bye bye.